So once you've got a nice round base prepared, you can just lay the coil on top in line with the bottom of the base, and then push down with your thumb as you go around, and just keep a consistent motion pushing all the way around. Now, depending on your taste, you can either cut the coil here and then smooth it together, or if you don't mind that little bump up there, you can leave it, which I do. Makes for less work. If you're cutting each individual coil, you end up doing a lot more. And just keep going around and pushing down with your thumb. And once you've got one layer of coil done, go back in with your wooden knife. The back side is curved, or any tool that has a nice curved flat surface, and just smooth where those coils met on the inside together. This is just going to make sure that there's a nice, secure connection. The texture we can deal with later. So now I'm going to show you how to keep building this up a little higher and how to deal with keeping it on center.